Today in our kitchen we'll be making a special recipe of barfi. It is super easy to make and really special. It will make every eat of yours really special, so let's get started. First of all, in a bowl we're going to add 1 cup of milk powder. Then we're going to add in 4 tablespoons of heavy cream. Any cream of your choice. And then we're going to mix it until it becomes crumbly. We're going to give it a good mix for a few seconds. Then we're going to sift it. So this will make our material really smooth. So after you have sifted it, I'm going to add in half a cup of ground almonds, nutmeg, and cardamom powder according to your choice. And then I'm going to mix all of these things. You can see the material is really crumbly and we need to keep it that way. Then we're going to transfer it in another bowl and then we're going to sift it again. This will combine our mixture really well, and you really need to do these steps for our barfi to come out really nice. And we're going to sift it again. So all those thick almonds will stay behind and our barfi will be a smooth mixture. So then after you're done, that is supposed to look like this, and then we keep it aside. Now on the stove we're going to melt 150 grams of butter. You can use desi ghee or oil as well, or margarine also. And I'm going to add in 125 liters of milk. I'm going to wait for the butter to melt here on high speed, and then we're going to decrease the speed when it starts boiling. So we're just waiting for everything to melt at this point. And then we're going to add in 3/4 cup of icing sugar, which is powdered sugar. Here we're basically making condensed milk. So if you do not have condensed milk at home, you can follow this recipe and you'll get a really nice thing of a condensed milk. So you see everything is boiling here. Now we're going to wait for the milk to evaporate until we only get a buttery thick mixture. There we go. You can see how yellowish it's looking, and it's only the butter remaining with over the icing sugar. The milk has evaporated completely and it has become a thick mixture. This was done in about 10 minutes on high speed, but you need to start mixing it vigorously at some point. And then into our dry mixture we're going to add in the wet, but we're going to add it in steps because we have to see the consistency and how we want it. If you add it all at once, our barfi will become runny and it won't become molds. So now I'm just adding a little bit, like a quarter, and I'm going to add the rest, and then I'm going to mix. You have to make sure it mixes properly and your barfi is not sticky, and that it's like a really nice texture, that it doesn't stick to your hands. So there we go, it's done. Now we can take a mold like thing and just add it in there. You can even take an ice cream scoop, it's all up to you. So I'm just going to give it a shape here. Any shape according to your choice. You can even give it a square shape, a diamond shape, any of your choice. And there we go. That's how I'm shaping my barfis. And you can add it in cupcake liners for it to look smart. And I'm going to do the rest for the same. It's really easy to make with all these ingredients are easily available in your household, and it's especially for Eid. And you can make this and give it to your family for breakfast or for lunch, and they will really enjoy it. It doesn't require any difficult steps, and it's really easy to make. So there we go. You can top these with ground almonds or with colorful almonds, and you can enjoy it. This is how I make my barfis. I hope you guys like today's recipe. Please do like, share and subscribe, and have a wonderful Eid.